the leaked audio call between His Excellency Peter Obi and Bishop David Oyedepo of Living Faith Church. Now, it means that what they are trying to tell us, listen, no, I don't know, because this argument is either or. When you are in the comment section, you have to tell me what you think about what happened, because to me, I'm going to speak my own mind. Now, to me, my own mind is that our confidential communication between me and somebody in this country is no longer safe. That's what they are trying to tell us. Because now, so does it mean that Peter Obi and the bishop talk and the next thing they release it online? Because I read it on People's Gazette. I even listened to the audio call. Now, forget, not even the content of the call is my problem. The content of the call is not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is the confidential conversation that we have, day-to-day confidential conversation we have with people. Does it mean that that conversation is not safe? Should we now leave our normal call? So are we now saying that we should not be using our normal call again? We should now move to WhatsApp call. That is what they are trying to tell us. We should move to WhatsApp call. That is safer. Because now what are they trying to do? Is it that they are even trying to cause violence with that leaked audio or what? I don't understand. I don't understand. Now, okay, now, if they want to tell me is that they can walk in this country, okay, now they are trying to leak audio calls. What about the calls that all the kidnappers have been making? Why have they not released all those audio or used those audio to even trace all the kidnappers? The people that are doing bad things and calling their victim, why have they not used that to even trace and track all those people? See, we know the right thing to do in this country. It's just that they don't like to do the right thing. They see the right thing and they just remove their face. When the right thing is happening here, they will turn like this. They don't want to look at the right thing. They will be even telling them that this is the right thing, is here. They will keep a blind eye. They don't want to look at the right thing. So what I'm saying is that leaking the audio call between Bishop David Oyedepo and His Excellency Peter Obi is totally wrong. In all contests, it is wrong. I don't know what they are trying to achieve, but what I'm saying is that leaking that audio call is totally wrong. It's supposed to be a confidential conversation between the two of them. How did it manage to even go outside? Because it is not David Oyedepo that sent that leaked audio or Peter Obi that brought out the audio. It is the people controlling the communication. So they know how to do their work. Why are they not doing the work well? Go and look for the people that are committing crime with these networks. Leak all the audio call, track them down. You are releasing leak audio between Oyedepo and Peter Obi. Now, for you that is watching, I don't know what you think about this matter, but you have a point. And I want to hear from you what you think about this, because we are no longer safe in our calls. Go to the comment section and tell me what you feel. Let us interact. Like I always say, my name is Balan Shaibu. I am the Spice Creator. Google me if you like. Don't Google me. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.